The accident itself was just what happened, and George did what I think most people would do, is he got out and helped people in need. That's who he's always been.
George Zimmerman's defense attorney, Mark O'Mara, spoke outside his law offices Wednesday after the family rescued by Zimmerman following a rollover crash in Seminole County canceled.
And I think what happened with them today was they were very worried, and I think were advised by some family and friends that they really should not get involved with anything having to do with George Zimmerman.
Mark Gressel of Port Orange had planned to speak to reporters at the downtown Orlando office, but changed his mind. O'Mara spoke in his place.
And that's really sad, that they can't even say that George did something good for them because people out there believe that he's still so toxic, even though he's been acquitted.
Authorities say that Zimmerman, only days after being acquitted in the shooting death of 17-year-old Trayvon Martin, assisted Gressel, his wife, and their 2 children after their Ford Explorer flipped on its side on a State Road 417 off-ramp near Sanford.
It looks like an Explorer. There's some people at the car right now. It's on its side.
According to the Seminole County Sheriff's Office, Zimmerman and another man, who hasn't been identified, helped the Gressel family get out of the overturned vehicle by the time a deputy had arrived.
Is the person need medical attention?
I don't know. They're getting them out of the car right now.
Zimmerman wasn't a witness to the crash, and there were no reports of injuries. O'Mara, who defended Zimmerman in the high-profile murder trial, said the incident is an example of Zimmerman's character.
That's just who George Zimmerman is before February 26, 2012, and who he still is today.
O'Mara also addressed reports that the crash was set up.
So those who want to believe it was staged, they can go right ahead and believe that. They can believe the Earth is still flat, or that the Earth is still the center of the universe. It just happens not to be true and contested by all of the facts that we know about.
O'Mara concluded by saying the Gressel family wants to be left alone.
Best thing that media could do, now that the story has been sort of identified and told, is to grant them the one wish they have, which is their privacy.
Zimmerman did not appear at the press event and remains in hiding. I'm John Bustegger with the Orlando Sentinel.